Hi, this is your techie tip for this week, the top 10 keyboard shortcuts everyone should know. I got this from a email subscription that I subscribe to called 180 Techie Tips. So I think if you go to Google and type in Techie Tips, they'll get you signed up for this if you want. I thought this was really cool. I learned a few things about my computer that I hadn't known yet. Of course, a lot of these things are very common. If you use them, great. If not, it's just another way to get around to access your keyboard, and it seems to go a little bit quicker. So let me teach you a few of the ones that I use commonly, and then we'll go over some of the ones that I just learned. Copying text and stuff. Most of the time, probably most people just highlight whatever they're doing and then right-click and find the copy button. Another way to do that is to use the Control-C button. If you highlight, you can push Control-C and then enter, and then Control-V will paste it. That's one way to do it. If we go back to that website, you'll see how you can actually highlight. Let's go to Control-Home. If we jump down a little bit, Control-Home and End. Move the cursor to the beginning or end of a document. And if we add Shift with that, what we can do is highlight stuff in something we're reading or something we're typing. So if I'm at the beginning of it, I can push Control, Shift, and End up on the top right of my keyboard, and that will highlight everything. But if I just push Control, End, it goes, see how my cursor jumped down to the bottom? Now if I just push Shift End, it just highlights the current line I'm on. And vice versa. If I start at the end of the document and I want to highlight just the line, I can push Shift and Home. The Home key is on the top right, the Home key is on the top right. It goes Delete, then Insert, then End, then Home. So once again, Shift Home highlights just the line. Shift Control Shift Home will highlight everything. So that's an easy way to highlight stuff. And then I can push Control Copy. If I just push the space bar, it gets rid of it. But if I can push Control Paste, it'll paste it as many times as I want. Okay, so that's a couple tools you can use. Control P prints the page, and we went over the print screen option. We can push Function Print Screen, and that's orange on our laptops. Control S will save a document. So if I wanted to save this Word document and I don't want to go up here to File and Save, I can push Control S and it brings up my save, and I can save it anywhere I want, obviously. Going back to that document again, Control Backspace, Control Left Arrow, delete a full word at a time. I thought this was kind of interesting. If I push Control and then Backspace, it deletes whole words instead of just one thing at a time. If I can push Control Shift and Backspace, nothing happens. Let's see. Probably the favorite one that I saw was this one here. If I want to toggle between the screens I'm in, one way is to go down to the taskbar, find what I'm working on, my gradebook, go to Outlook, go to Microsoft Word, go to CPS, go to down here on the taskbar. You see how that works? Another and quicker way to do that is to push the little Windows key. It's on the bottom left corner of your laptop, and it says Control or Function, and then it has a little Windows key. If you push that Windows key and then Tab, look what it does to your all your screens. You can toggle very quickly between all of your screens. Isn't that cool? I thought it was really cool. So here's my instruction. Here's an Adobe document, or my Microsoft OneNote. Here's an Adobe document. Here's my desktop. So if I want to go to my desktop, I just release those keys. Now, if I want to go back to those, once again, it's the Windows key. It looks like the little window with a circle around it, and then the Tab key. And I can toggle forward. Now if I went past one of them, I just push Shift and Tab, and I can go backwards. Very, very, very easy way to toggle between all the things you have up and running on your computer. So I thought that was a fun way to work with that. If you go to this website, it has a few more that you can check out. It's computerhope.com/tips/tip79htm. Good luck, and screw around with this and email me any questions that you might have. Thanks for listening.